In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect BigCommerce with Databox. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your BigCommerce store feeding real-time data into Databox so you can track orders, customers, products, and revenue in one place. Make sure you have admin access to your BigCommerce store and a Databox account you can log into. First, create an API account in BigCommerce. This generates the credentials Databox needs to read your store data. When you set up the API account, assign at least read access to the resources you plan to monitor, like orders, customers, products, and anything else you want to report on. Read-only access is ideal for security and is all Databox needs. After saving, you'll receive an access token. Copy it and store it safely. You'll paste it into Databox shortly. If you ever change permissions or regenerate the token, remember you'll need to update Databox too. Next, grab your store hash. You'll find it inside your BigCommerce store URL, formatted like storeabcu23.mybigcommerce.com. The part between store and mybigcommerce.com is your store hash. Copy it exactly as it appears. If you usually use a custom domain, open your store's admin and check the address bar to locate the mybigcommerce.com URL and extract the hash from there. Now, switch over to Databox. Log in and go to Data Manager, then Available Integrations. Search for BigCommerce and select it. This tells Databox you're about to connect a BigCommerce data source. When prompted, paste in the store hash and the access token you just copied from BigCommerce. Confirm and connect. If you see a connection error, double-check that your token is valid and that the API account has read access for the resources you intend to use. Once connected, authorize and choose which datasets or metrics you want Databox to pull, things like orders, customers, products, and revenue. Pick what matters for your reporting needs. Databox will begin syncing and make those metrics available for dashboards, reports, and visualizations. The initial sync may take a few minutes, depending on how much historical data you have. That's normal. After data appears, you can start building dashboards and setting goals or alerts based on the metrics you selected. You can always return to the data source settings later to adjust which datasets are included. That's it. Create the API account with read permissions, copy your store hash, connect BigCommerce in Databox with your hash and token, and then choose the datasets you want to monitor. Keep your token secure and only grant access to the data you need. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new BigCommerce dashboards in Databox.